I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video I have a glam look. It was about time. It's been very long since I did a proper glam look. I can't even pronounce it because it's been a while. Anyways, I created this look together with the Carli Bybel palette. Look, oh my god, we're a match. I feel like this whole background, the earrings, the hair, the top, everything matches this palette. So yeah, in this video I will be using the Carli Bybel palette in collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And yeah, keep on watching. After that, I'm taking my Morphe M507 brush and I'm going in with Boy, this shade right here. I really like the shade. It's kind of like taupe, dark brown, but taupe, more like a cool tone brown. I'm not even sure why I'm trying to explain every single color. Anyways, I'm going in with Boy and I'm going to darken up the crease with this. By the way, guys, I am aware that my uploading time sucks right now. Sucks the last 2 weeks, I think. Well, you guys know why, because every week I have to like fly unexpectedly to Gran Canaria, and I feel like if I work ahead, like I can work ahead, but just because it's like I have to upload on Monday and I have to upload on Friday, I do feel less creative, if you know what I mean. Like I feel like pressure, like, oh my god, shit, I have to like upload a video as soon as possible, and what video should I do? And I have like literally like hours or like half a day to decide what I'm going to do. It's going to be temporary because this will last until the start of November, so just 1 more month. But I'm going to try to do my best to, you know, upload on the days that I usually upload. So bear with me, please, because if this is all over, I cannot wait to, you know, dive into makeup again and play with all those palettes I received. I feel like I'm behind, you know. This reminds me of a look I did before, but I can't remember which one. Going back to the first brush I've used, I'm going in with Bybel. And this is a very unique shade as well. I don't know how to describe the shade, but it's a beautiful, weird, good shade. It's called Bybel, this one. And we're going to put that between these two shades. I completely forgot to zoom you in again, but I got you, so you guys can see it better. I'm taking my detail brush and I'm going to use this shade that we've used, the boy shade. That one right here. I'm going to mix it a little bit with the red color, which is called Steve. And I'm going to, yeah, mix this and make this a little bit darker. Also bring the reddish color a little bit more towards the crease. So I think what I'm going to do is apply this color, and this is actually a mix of the My Angels color, which is like a dark, dirty golden color, and it was, oh my god, which one was it? I think it was Jode. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but this color right here. So I'm going to mix those two until I get like a weird gray golden color, and then I'm going to apply this on my whole lid. Oh my god, pigmentation is unreal, especially if you apply it with your fingers. I think I'm going to use a little bit more of the red color and just really smoke out the outer corner just to make it look more interesting, because you know, I really love mixing warmer tones together with cooler tones. So quickly going to do my base, and you guys know how I do my base. I'm going to pretty much use the same products I usually use, and then we'll finish the eyes. So wait until I look snatched. So as you guys can see, the base is done. I think, yeah, it is done. I still have to powder it, but I'm going to do that as kind of like my last step. First time I'm using this palette, and look how it looks. I'm going back to this beautiful Bybel color, this one. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Same brush, but I'm using the darkest color in the palette, and I'm just going to make this part a bit darker and connect it to the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my inner corners using this beautiful gold color, this one, which is called Mo with double O. On my waterline, I'm going to use those of colors, eye pencil, and Sketch, which is a beautiful brown color. Not really going to smoke it out, but just a little bit. Like that. I'm kind of in a doubt whether I should do like a winged liner, you know, because I have hooded eyes, but maybe I would do, yeah, I'm going to do a very, very small one. Three minutes later and I have like a whole nother look. So I had to do like a graphic wing and I didn't want to do that, but still have to like improve it a bit more. But yeah, graphic wing it is. So for my lips, obviously we're going for nude, but not because I like nude, but this collection, come on, also comes with a nude shade. These are beautiful. When I saw these, I was like, yes, 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 yes. This is really, really more. This might be too nude, but we can put this in the center. And I think this one is going to look too peachy. This one looks really good. This is unmute. Wow, yeah, I really like this color. Maybe I will mix it with the lighter one, which is called Sand. But we're going for this one. And we also have Beaming Liquid Lip. I think it's metallic matte. And I think this is a beautiful gloss. Look at the packaging. Love it. And this is Lip Summer Vibes. Summer Vibes. For lip liner, I'm going to use Morphe in Makeup Talk. So we're going in with Unmute. This color is gorge. So now I'm going in with Sand as well. Just in the center. You know what? I'm actually curious for, where is it? The metallic one as well. Well, since we're using everything from the lip kit, I actually made a lip kit out of this, but I'm just going to use everything. And this is the gloss. I really love this lip combo. So quickly going to apply some mascara and some lashes, do something about this hair, and then I'll be right back. There you go. This is pretty much the look for today. About the palette, I really like it, especially the packaging. And I think the colors, I know I messed up this palette so quickly, but I think the colors are stunning. The pigmentation is unbelievable. Look at this one. But it's really pigmented. It glides on like butter. I do have to say I kind of miss a very good dark brown, warm brown color. I like the fact that there are cool tones and warm tones because I'm all about mixing those two together. I think this palette is going to look gorgeous if you have like blue eyes like she has. But then again, I do have brown eyes and I do think this look is approachable for everyone. But definitely it's a very, very good palette. And I think personally, I would use this for an everyday look, especially this section right here, because the inner corner highlight is amazing. And if I would have like a party or something, then I would go for, you know, the more darker gray looks. This, it's a very, very good color actually. I would suggest that you just swatch this palette if you see it in Sephora or anywhere else. I don't think I have to tell you guys how much I like the lip. It's not a lip kit, but I kind of use it as a lip kit apart from the peachy one. But really, really love these shades. I think if I would ever collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills or with another brand, I would just definitely come up with something like this because the shades are so gorgeous. They're like, I don't know really how to describe it. They're not very peachy. They're not very orange. They're not super cool as if it's like white-ish, if you know what I mean. So it's just the perfect nude. Love. Also, if you're wondering what I'm wearing for my base, I did a quick Instagram tutorial because I haven't done it in such a long time. So I thought, you know what, while I'm doing my base, I'm quickly going to film this tutorial for IG. Lashes I've used are from Lily Lashes in Ayla. Ayla, you can use my discount code, which is below. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. Finally did something a little bit more glam. Thank you guys for keeping up with me while I'm super busy these last 1.5 months. So bear with me a little bit more because I cannot wait to, you know, just smack my face into makeup palettes again. Also, let me know what you guys think of the brows, because do you think it's too dark? Do you like it with blonde hair? You know, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. I got verified today, by the way. Yay! And leave me a comment and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!